Hello and welcome. So this is part 2 of the Kentico 12 tutorial custom modules. So in the last video we have seen how to create a custom module in Kentico 12 application. So this is the second video, and in this video we will going to see how to create relationships between by using custom modules. So in the last video, as we have seen, we have created a module for the offices. So you can see that this is our offices. So now you can see that a office can have multiple employees. So let's so you can see I have already created a employees module, employees class in the existing module. So we will see a relationship here, like a office can have multiple employees, but if any of the office has been deleted from the modules application, then all of his employees should be deleted. So this kind of relationship we will going to see in this video. So you can see that this is our employees class in the company XYZ module. So let's hit on new employee. You can see there is a drop down, and we can select some offices here. So let's go and create some new offices first, so that we can have a look onto the offices. So let's create new office. Let's create office Noida. Office Noida. Let's give it a address as Greater Noida. Let's save it. Okay. It has to be without spaces. Office name. Let's save this. Now go to the offices list. You can see these are two offices here. Let's go to the employees. Let's create new employee. So for example, I need to create a employee at employee office Noida. So this is the Nishant, and this is the test J. So the name is saved, and we can go and see the employees list. So if I go to the offices again, if I delete the office Noida now, so the employee has to be, it also has to be deleted. So you can see that office Noida has been deleted. So according to the relation, if the office Noida doesn't exist, then all of his employees should be deleted. So you can see that employees for the Noida office has been automatically deleted. So this is kind of relationship we have implemented, and we have seen we can implement it via custom module. The reason I am showing this screen first rather than creating and showing you how we have generated this, because we have already created how to create a custom module and its class in the first video. I can also share the link of that video. Now we will going to see how we have implemented this. So I have already implemented this. Let's go to the modules first. Now we can see we will be going to the company XYZ module. So we can see here that we have on first created a new class in the same module. So let's go to the classes. You can see that we have already created a new class here as office employee. The creation of new class is already covered in the first video. If I go and edit this, let's switch to the fields tab. It's taking little time. So you can see this is our office employee class. So you can see we have first created a field as office employee office ID. This will be integer type and it will be required. So here we have seen that this is a reference to. So reference to is we have referenced is from offices because the employee will be referenced to the offices class. Now let's move below. So you can see the caption is office and the form control is uniselector. Form control is uniselector because in an while creating an employee, a user can only use one office. So employee can be existing in one office only. So employee cannot hold two offices at the time. So that is the reason we have used uniselector here. The object type is company xyz dot office because that is the object type of the first class which we are referring to, and the return column name is office id. So the office id will be interlinked to that employee. So here we have used single text box, and these all the settings we have done. Now we can see here as employee first name and employee last name is there as normal columns.